It's time. We did it. Welcome to Sethi Techie. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Happy Friday. Today is September 20th, 2024. And today is iPhone Day. Apple had their Apple event last week and they highlighted the iPhone 16, the iPhone 16 Pro models, the new Apple Watch Series 10, and also they updated the Apple Watch Ultra 2 with a new black titanium finish and also the AirPods Max colors. Today we are unboxing the first unboxing on Sethi Techie. I'm so excited because what other way to have the first unboxing be an iPhone? The best Apple product, in my opinion. So here is the iPhone in the natural titanium. Let's see here. And then we have the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I decided to go for the clear case this time with MagSafe. I like to do best for last, so let's go with this one. Just gonna peel this here, and Apple makes it easy and their unboxing experience is extra luxurious. Okay, so here is the new case. Make sure we get all the angles. Beautiful smudgy fingerprint magnet when you don't want it to be, but it gets the job done. I actually really like this case. It's one of my favorite. For the iPhone itself, this color is so beautiful. I'm absolutely obsessed with this color. So here is the finish. I'm so excited to try this phone. I am obsessed with Apple and the iPhones, and this year, unfortunately, I am really upset that they do not include anything but a charger in the box. There's no Apple stickers. I'm really happy though that they are pushing for Apple carbon neutral by 2030, so they're starting to remove more and more from the box itself. The box is completely recycled, so it is actually helping for their carbon neutral plans. Inside the box as well, we got paperwork that I am too excited and messing up. Not much, just some different paperwork. There's just this. It says you don't need a SIM card anymore. Interesting. And just some safety and handling. That's it. And that's all in the box. Out of the way. Bye. Get out of my face. The braided cable is extra luxurious, of course, though. They have to make something fancy in the box as well with the iPhone. I just really like the braided cable. It's easy to put away and you don't need it. So for the iPhone itself, oh my god, I just accidentally pressed the new camera button. Oh my god, look at it. Make sure we get that beautiful unwrap finish. Oh my gosh. I currently have the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and this is completely different with the feel, the new brushed titanium finish. I mean, that is just gorgeous. Wow. This is the natural titanium color. I currently have silver on my iPhone 14 Pro Max and just wanted a little bit something different, but something that will still match the accessory and aesthetic that I have. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I don't like that. That's gonna be a problem on the table. But I've already started to notice the bezels and the brushed finish. It is just so clean. I'm obsessed with this color. And I feel like this is gonna be a little issue for me. I'm just gonna automatically press the button when I don't need to. So we are immediately greeted with the welcome screen. Hello, bonjour. I am US and I like it to be small. Okay, give me 1 sec. I'm gonna get this started and set up with my personal settings and we'll be right back.
3 hours later.
So currently using my previous iPhone to get this set up, and Apple makes it super easy to get things set up when you are getting a new device, and just like that, I'm already transferring what's on this phone to my new iPhone. Wow, the screen difference is crazy. And now we're just activating my phone. I haven't set up Face ID in so long. Okay, so, oh, there's a new Face ID setup. So, there we go. I'm currently transferring my stuff and signing into my Apple account. I've noticed that I've been clicking my button, the camera button, a lot. This is like the 4th time I've clicked it since I've got it. That's crazy. Protein break! Yeah, come on. Thing 1 and thing 2. Let me look on sales too.
Help me.
Okay.
Please.
You have put hairs all over me. Skipping all these steps so we can get straight to the fun stuff. So here is Spyro, and this is probably one of the first chameleons to touch an iPhone 16 Pro Max. Okay, can you stay there for me? No. So this is my first iPhone with the action button, and I am super excited to put it as my silent switch. I feel like that there's a lot of different use cases for this. I think I'm gonna go for translate, working on my Spanish. So there is a new setup for camera control for the iPhone, and this is what it looks like. So it shows you how to work it. Oh my God, Spyro. Please don't break this plant. No. No. Okay. Can you just, I don't know where to, can you just get right here? There we go. How about that? Let's just stay there. Oh my God. Why do you want to get on this planet? No. Please, you're gonna fall. Okay, I'm just gonna put you over here. Everything's fine. Getting the camera control set up. So it says click camera control to open a camera app. Then click again to use camera control as shutter. That's just a little breakdown of what it does. All right, we are all set up. Let's dive in. Oh my gosh, the display is everything. Okay, so the first thing I really want to do is actually go in and change my wallpaper. So let me do that. Collections. Ooh, this looks pretty. Desert, natural, white, black. Okay, you can definitely notice a big difference with the bezels on this phone. The display is huge. I absolutely love that you can change the buttons on the lock screen for the first time. So being able to do that is really cool. So you can choose your app that you want to use. And I am an iMessage dude, so let's add iMessage. So now the new update allows you to go in and customize your home screen, which is really cool. Personally, I do like this automatic, so when it goes at nighttime, turn the sun off. But it kind of shows you, like, it'll turn from light to dark, like during the day and during the night. So I kind of like it there. Another cool feature is that they updated the control center on iOS 18. So you have things like tap to cache now and things like that. So it's really cool to see more customization options coming to the iPhone. Even having its own dedicated favorite section for different apps and features, like you can have an entire screen for music or home, and you can easily tap or scroll through all of them. I really enjoy that. Now let's test out the camera button. So I'm just gonna click it. Oh wow, so it's automatically greeting me with photographic styles. So personalize how you appear in photos with incredible nuance to get the exact look you want. Photographic styles use advanced scene understanding and adjust specific colors in the scene so you can express your creativity like never before. Oh wow, so you can take and ooh, amber, gold, rose gold? Is that gonna be another cooler coming back? Please bring the rose gold back for the girlies. So I'm getting used to actually trying to use it. So if you tap here and hold, it knows between a hold and a click. It's pressure sensitive, so it can zoom in by scrolling on the top, and then it can zoom out by scrolling as well. Now if you hold it, it will automatically launch video, and then if you are on different modes or you want to take a picture, you can click it, and then if we change it to something like cinematic mode, if I start it, I can hold it with a light press to zoom in and zoom out, and then I can click it to start and stop the video as well, which is really cool. By gently pressing on the side, you'll get haptic feedback for it. You can also change the depth. So I'm in portrait mode, I can change the depth. Wow. So it's a little bit of an adjustment trying to get used to it, but afterwards it is pretty cool. So cameras, you can also even change your photographic styles, and if you want to select something, you can just click on it with the button, which is pretty cool. So I think that my favorite use case is going to be zoom and the depth effect. I think just being able to like see how much is going to be kind of blurred out in the background is really cool. And also with the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max, you're going to be, and also the 16, you're going to be able to shoot spatial mode, which allows you to shoot spatial video and spatial photos for the Apple Vision Pro. I don't own a Apple Vision Pro, but maybe one day. Would love to test it out though. So if you or know anyone that wants to send one for a demo, just let me know. So that's the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I am really excited about this device. I'm really happy with how beautiful the display is. I'm excited to see the big leap in battery life and the difference that I had from my 14 Pro Max. I am really happy with the display and just comfortability of the device. I am really happy with just how it feels holding it in my hand. And the camera button is just, I mean, that's just genius. Wow, that is just genius. Stay tuned for more. I hope you enjoy the in-depth review that I have of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. If you like videos like this, please like, comment, and subscribe to Techie Sethi. And always be you, stay true, love you. Toodles.